This week the world's eyes turn to the southern coast of Texas, where anticipation fills the air and excitement ripples through the crowds. Here, on the edge of the Gulf, history is being written in real time. At the heart of this moment stands SpaceX's Starship, fully assembled and gleaming in the early light, poised for its next ambitious test, Flight 10. The world watches, holding its breath as the countdown begins. This isn't just another rocket launch, it's a bold step toward humanity's future among the stars. Each test is a testament to our drive to explore, to push boundaries, and to dream bigger than ever before. Starship is the product of relentless curiosity and ambition, designed to make life multiplanetary. Behind every bolt and circuit is a team of visionaries, engineers, and dreamers, all working tirelessly to turn science fiction into reality. Each launch, whether a triumph or a setback, brings us closer to that goal. Every plume of smoke, every recovered piece of debris is a chapter in the story of progress, proof that innovation is born from both success and failure. The scale is staggering, nearly 400 feet tall, dwarfing everything around it. Starship is built to carry not just cargo but people to the moon, Mars, and beyond, opening new frontiers for exploration and discovery. Every test flight is a lesson, each one building on the last. With every ascent and every landing attempt, engineers gather data, refine designs, and move one step closer to making interplanetary travel routine. Flight 10 stands on the shoulders of all previous attempts, embodying resilience and progress. Each mission, no matter the outcome, is a vital piece of a much larger puzzle, one that could redefine our place in the universe. This mission is more than technology, it's inspiration. It sparks wonder in the eyes of children and reignites the imagination of adults, reminding us all that the impossible is often just the untried. It tells dreamers everywhere that the universe is within reach. The sight of Starship soaring skyward is a message to every curious mind. Keep reaching, keep exploring, and never stop asking what's next. As Starship prepares to ascend, it carries the hopes of a world eager for the next chapter in our cosmic journey. The roar of its engines is the sound of possibility, echoing across continents and generations. The adventure is just beginning, and with each launch, we take another giant leap toward a future where the stars are within our grasp. At the heart of Flight 10 are Ship 37 and Super Heavy Booster 16. Booster 16, with its 33 Reactor engines, provides the raw power to escape Earth's grip. Ship 37, the Starship itself, is built for the journey beyond. After a successful static fire, it's ready for its orbital test. The mission's choreography booster lifts Ship 37 skyward, then hot staging separates them in a fiery ballet. Each vehicle is the latest in a line of evolving prototypes carrying forward hard-won lessons. Their flight is the next verse in humanity's epic of exploration. The future is being built, one launch at a time. This time, Booster 16 won't attempt a dramatic tower catch. Instead, it will focus on perfecting landing maneuvers over the Gulf of Mexico. A high-angle descent, a signature landing flip, and a two-engine burn will test its control and precision. The goal: gather data, refine algorithms, and make future landings safer and more reliable. SpaceX is prioritizing learning over spectacle, building a foundation for routine, rapid reusability. Every splashdown is a step toward airline-like operations for rockets. Progress is measured in lessons learned, not just in showy landings. As Booster 16 prepares for flight, Booster 12 is retired, a symbol of rapid progress. At Starbase, production never stops. New designs quickly replace the old. The focus is on building better, not just more starships. Version 3 prototypes are already in the pipeline, each iteration smarter and stronger. Giant steel rings are welded into rockets at a pace the industry has never seen. This relentless innovation is the engine driving humanity's multiplanetary dream. Every booster, old and new, is a stepping stone in this evolving story. The future is forged from the lessons of the past. While Texas leads today as the birthplace of Starship's first launches, the story of American spaceflight is rapidly expanding beyond the Lone Star State. Boca Chica has been the proving ground, but the future is being written elsewhere too. Florida is quickly rising as Starship's next major launch hub, bringing new energy and ambition to the legendary Space Coast. The region, already steeped in history, is now preparing for a new chapter in space exploration. SpaceX is investing heavily in Kennedy Space Center's Pad 39A, transforming it into a state-of-the-art launch complex for the next generation of rockets. Crews work around the clock, assembling infrastructure that will support both frequent launches and ambitious missions. The goal is clear: enable more launches, support new missions, and collaborate closely with NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon and eventually reach Mars. This partnership is setting the stage for a new era of exploration. The new Gigabay facility and a twin launch tower are taking shape on the Space Coast, representing SpaceX's commitment to scaling up operations. These massive structures will soon become the backbone of Starship's East Coast presence. This dual-site strategy, operating from both Texas and Florida, means more launches, greater flexibility, and increased resilience for the entire program. It's a bold move that will help SpaceX meet growing demand from commercial, scientific, and government customers. Closer ties to key customers and partners are being forged every day. Regulatory reviews are underway as agencies work to ensure safety and compliance for this new era of frequent, high-stakes launches. With construction progressing rapidly, hopes are high for a Florida Starship launch by late 2025. Engineers and technicians are racing to meet ambitious timelines, eager to see Starship soar from the Atlantic coast. Two active launch sites, Boca Chica and Kennedy, mark a pivotal shift from experimental development to full-scale operations. This transition signals that Starship is moving closer to routine, reliable spaceflight. Soon, starships launching from both coasts will symbolize a new era in human spaceflight, one where reaching orbit, the moon, or even Mars becomes a regular occurrence, not just a rare event. The solar system is opening for all, and the journey is just beginning. Getting to the moon is only half the challenge. Staying there requires power. NASA's answer, a compact 100-kilowatt nuclear reactor, ready for deployment by 2030. Unlike solar panels, this reactor will provide constant energy through the 2-week lunar night. It's essential for life support, science, and building a permanent base. With China also eyeing the moon, reliable power is a strategic advantage. SpaceX's Starship will deliver heavy cargo like this reactor, while NASA develops the tech to thrive on the moon. This is public-private partnership at its best. Innovation meets vision. Together, we're not just visiting the moon, we're preparing to stay. Starship Flight 10 is part of a sweeping effort to extend humanity's reach beyond the boundaries of our home planet. From the launch pads of Texas to the historic sites of Florida, a new era is unfolding before our eyes, one that promises to reshape our future in ways we are only beginning to imagine. From powerful new rockets that pierce the sky to innovative lunar reactors designed to power outposts on the moon, every breakthrough brings us closer to living and working beyond Earth. Teams of engineers and scientists are pushing the limits of what's possible, building the foundations for a future among the stars. Every step forward, every bolt tightened and circuit tested, is a thread in a vast tapestry of progress. The work is painstaking, requiring patience, creativity, and relentless determination. Each innovation, no matter how small, is a vital part of the larger story. This era is defined by bold ambition, rapid innovation, and unprecedented global collaboration. The journey is tough. Failures are inevitable and setbacks can be dramatic. Yet every challenge faced and every lesson learned only strengthens our resolve to keep moving forward. It is resilience, the unwavering spirit to rise after every fall, that truly drives us onward. Behind every successful launch are countless hours of hard work, problem-solving, and the courage to try again after setbacks. The dream of becoming a multi-planetary species is not the vision of a single person or company, but the result of thousands of dedicated minds working together. Engineers, scientists, technicians, and dreamers from all walks of life are united by a shared purpose. Space is not just for a select few, it is a journey that belongs to everyone. People from every corner of the globe are inspired by these achievements, and the excitement of discovery is spreading to new generations. As Starship climbs skyward, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of all humanity. Each launch is a symbol of what we can accomplish when we work together, reaching for goals that once seemed impossible. In these moments, we are reminded that our collective aspirations are limitless. The journey to the stars is not just about technology, it's about hope, unity, and the belief that our best days are still ahead. We are witnessing the birth of a new space age, one we build together step by step, as a united human family reaching for the cosmos.